We know that houses have been flying off the shelves for the past 6 months, pretty much everywhere. And a lot of that has to do with tight supply. And that, of course, leads to bidding wars. Now, the fastest markets, no shock here, are the ones with the biggest price jumps, mostly in California, but also Seattle, Denver, and even just outside Boston, in Cambridge. Things did slow down a little bit this summer, according to Trulia, which looked at the pace of sales from June to August. Now, 63% of the homes for sale in June still had the for sale sign up in August, and that is actually a slight increase from last summer, and that may be due to price fatigue. Now, as we look to winter, maybe some good news for buyers. Trulia found that the markets with the fastest moving sales today are actually the same markets that see the biggest change in sales pace historically going from summer to winter. They slow down the most, that is. So topping the list, San Francisco. Just about a quarter of homes for sale in June were still up for grabs in August, but in winter, that share increases by 19%. In Seattle, which isn't exactly a harsh winter market, 13% more homes will sit for at least 2 months. In Boston, 12% more, and the same for Charlotte, North Carolina, and Chicago. All right, so where can buyers take their own sweet time? You got to look to the middle. It's Detroit, Kansas City, Indianapolis, but also a little east, Pittsburgh, and then Newark, New Jersey, which I know, Andrew, everyone keeps telling me is the new hotspot, but I don't buy it.
Well, yeah, well, people say it's the hotspot, but it hasn't. Right, it hasn't taken off yet. I always thought, by the way, that spring was the hottest time to sell your home. Is that wrong? I thought families always wanted to move.
No, spring is the hottest time to sell your home, but it actually comes into summer as well. So that's.
Oh, see, I always thought that by August people weren't moving because of the school thing.
It slows down in August, and that's why we said we did start to see that slow down in July and August, but we saw it slow a little bit more this summer, and that was, again, probably due to those prices. So as we look to winter, though, you want to know where those buyers might finally have a chance, because I talked to so many desperate buyers who want to know, when am I going to be able to get into this market? And even in some hot ones like San Francisco and Seattle, they could have some better shopping this winter.
Hey YouTube fans, I'm Landon Dowdy from CNBC. Thanks so much for checking out our channel. Here you'll find videos packed with all the info that you need to be smarter about your finances. Be sure and subscribe by clicking right here, and click on all the videos around me to see CNBC's original series Young Money, Tech Bet, Kramer's Mad Money, and all the latest from CNBC.